Boy Abunda. The question?
Katulad ng mga kalalakihan at kababaihan, ikaw ba'y naniniwala na ang LGBT people were also created in the image of God? Yes or no? Bakit? Number 3,
For me, of course, I believe that the LGBT community is also a creation of God. Because being LGBT is actually a choice, and we are free to choose whatever gender we want. And by that, I believe that the LGBT community has the same rights as the women and men. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Trisha.
Very impressive start, ha? Maraming nakagusto dun sa tanong.
Correct. Tama
At sa
naman.
kanya sagot.
Oo. Our next candidate, Mutia 20, Bea Amor Refuerzo.
What's best in my town is the people, especially the low-income farmers. We are known for corn and tobacco farming. The organizers are very approachable. Hindi mo feel na malayo ka sa bahay mo. It makes you feel at home, very comfortable.
Thank you very much, Dea.
By the way, maraming salamat po yung Abunda.
Oo, kanina si
Ang
Boy.
next,
Maybe, ayan.
of course, Jasmine Curtis
That's
Smith.
right. And the question is from Jasmine.
What is more important for you? A mother who works to earn for her family, or a mother who stays at home to take care of her children?
Anong mas importante?
As a daughter of a policewoman, I would definitely choose a mother who works for the family. That doesn't mean that he don't love her family, but he sacrifices his time just to give us a better life, to be an upright woman, and to be like her in the future. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dea.
Maraming salamat, Dea.
Hirap na tanong yun, ha?
Oo ah.
Well, sino man yung mother niya, you raised a lovely and very smart daughter.
Okay.
Okay, third Mutia.
Mutia 14, Michelle Munar.
Actually, my dream since I was a kid, every time it's La Union's anniversary, I always watch Mutiati La Union, and I've always wanted to be a part of Mutiati La Union. I think I should.
Okay. And your question will be from Julia. Julia Barrett.
And the mother just happens to be here, so.
Do you do everything for the person you love?
I'm sorry, what was that again? Would you do everything for the person you love, and why?
Of course, I will do anything for the person I love because I love them. I care for them, and they are the ones who inspired me, encouraged me in everything I do. Of course, that would be my family. Thank you.
And thank you, Michelle. And thank you also, Julia Barreto.
Thank you. The next candidate is Mutia number 2, Noeda Jane Estalilia.
Guy, we have a lot of beautiful places like the Centennial Tunnel, and we have also beaches, particularly in Samara. And our product is our bamboos and bamboo crafts. I think I deserve to be Miss Mutiati La Union because I can do the responsibility of being Mutiati La Union.
Sino kayang artista or celebrity ang magtatanong sa
Please
iyo?
press the major button.
Ang ganda ng lalaki dyan.
The question is, go ahead, Lucky.
Hi ladies, My question is there anything you would change about your past? Why or why not? Good luck. Ako si Piolo Pascual.
Is there anything you would change from your past? Why or why not?
If I will not change anything from my past because everything that happens to me molds me to be a better person now, and all that happened to me, I am very thankful to God to all of that.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Mutya number 2. By the way, nakita yung lalaki, galing mag-English,
Ang galing.
medyo magaling
Kagwa.
forma. Sino kayo naging tatay yan?
Nasa lahi. Mutya 7, Danica Flor Magdala.
Mula sa Bawang.
Hello, Danica.
Yati La Union, not for popularity or exploitation, but I want to be an inspiration and a good role model to everyone, especially to my fellow youth. The organizer for the Yati La Union, they are very approachable, they are very nice and good, they are kind, and they really help to enhance more about the candidates.
Thank you. Ayan, please press our randomizer for your question. Oh, Gian Casid. And the question is?
Why do you want to win this pageant?
Bakit?
Winning this pageant is a great honor. Of course, winning a title is not that easy. It is about responsibility and advocacy to a fellow youth. Standing in front of the crowd is not that easy, but inspiring everyone and be the voice of the fellow youth is one of the worth and being proud of to yourself. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat, Danica Flor. Susunod na si
Mutya 3, May Dawara.
Registered nurse, and in the future I want to be a nurse in the obstetrics and gynecological department because I want to help more women in giving birth and healthcare to our mothers.
May you press our button, please? The question is from Regine Velasquez, our songbird. Nag-iisip pa si Regine. Sandali. Nag-iisip pa niya yung question.
Malalim.
Mahirap yun.
Are you willing to give your Facebook or your phone password to your boyfriend? Why and why not?
Are you willing to give your Facebook or phone password to your boyfriend?
Oh, wow.
Why or why not?
Of course, I am willing to give my Facebook password or any social media accounts. I already did. I trust my boyfriend very much, and he trusts me as well. We have each other's passwords. We have no insecurities or secrets to each other. We love that much. Okay?
Thank you very much. Dapat pala.
Maraming salamat. So, I just want to say, so far, ang lahat ng ating narinig, ang kaganda ng mga sagot.
Correct. Actually, these are very today questions, right? Bakit?
Hindi yung mga what's your favorite color, ganyan. Ano yung mga motto in life.
Wala.
Okay, ngayon po, tawagin po natin mula sa San Tomas. Santo Tomas, Adrian Balsita.
Santo Tomas, I would definitely let you experience the Daing Festival. Bow down po ako. Grabe po, parang I feel like I'm in a national pageant. So, it's such a fulfilling experience. I learned a lot. Ikaw na po, matrain ka ng trainer ni Pia. It's such a honor. I feel so blessed and grateful for the experience.
Randomizer, please. Okay, sino kaya magkatanong sa iyo, Adrian?
Oh my gosh! Richard Gomez. And the question is?
Here's my question. What did you give up to join Miss La Union?
What will you give up? Or what did you give up to join Miss La Union?
I gave up my time to join Miss La Union. My time for my family, my friends, and my schooling. But it's all worth it because the experience is remarkable. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Adrian Balsita. Ngayon naman, tawagin natin mula sa Rosario, Mutya number 13, Paula Grace Picardal.
At University of Baguio, taking up hotel and restaurant management. I wanted to represent Rosario, and I want to experience this provincial pageant. It's very prestigious. I am dedicated, and I want to serve La Union and to be their role model.
Paula, please press our randomizer. Parang nag-pray ka pa. Press mo lang, iba. Ayan, press. Ayan.
Para at least, alam niya.
Wow, your question is from Robin Padilla. And the question is?
Kung ako ay ipapasyal mo sa iyong bayan, saan mo ako dadalhin? At bakit?
Grabe naman ba tanong si Robin? Ay, bakit? Bakit daw? Ayan. Saan ba daw siya ipapasyal?
Sagutin mo na!
Ipapasyal ko siya sa aming church, which is the Immaculate Conception. Parang pinapakita namin na kami ang mga Rosarinian ay isang religious, God-fearing. That is why I am proud to be called as a Rosarinian. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Paula.
Thank you very much, Paula Grace. Ngayon naman,
Mutya 12, Danibel Baguyos.
Tourist spot doon sa Pugo, kagaya ng Cultura Splashway, Pugo Adventure at Tapuacan River. Deserve kong manalo pagkat ako ay may disiplina sa sarili at kayang ipakita ang aking kakayahan.
okay, at si Danibel ay mula sa Pugo.
Danibel, press the button. Ayan. From Solen, ayan.
Do you believe in the saying, try or try until you die?
Do you believe in saying, now you try and try until you die?
Yes, because try is what makes you success and being fulfillment to our lives. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat, Danibel. At ngayon, the last, ang ating pang-sampu.
Pang-sampung mutya is Mutya 10, Angelica Pagaduan.
Yeah, La Union, because I want to share my time. If I'll be the next Mutya La Union, I have their commitment. And of course, I believe in my skills and my own confidence.
Angelica, alika, ayan. Please press our button for your question. And your question is from Miss Vina Morales.
Ang tanong ay,
Kung nakita mo ang asawa ng best friend mo na nakikipag-date sa iba, sasabihin mo ba, why or why not?
Si Vina o si Sarah? Grabe. Kung nakita mo ang asawa ng best friend mo na merong kadate na iba, isusumbong mo ba?
Karapatan po yun ng best friend ko na malaman na may kadate yung asawa niyang iba. Pero hindi ko po dapat na agad-agad nasasabihin pagkos alamin ko muna kung ano ba talaga ang nangyayari. Kasi po, hindi po dapat tayo nagiging padalos-dalos sa mga gagawin natin dahil ito po ang nagbubunga ng mga
maling akala. Thank you.
Tama naman siya.
Magandang sagot yan. Okay, thank you very much, Angelica. Kasi madalas ang lalaki lagi pinagsasamantalahan. Kasi madalas ang lalaki ay biktima.
Ganun?
Oo. Kayo kasi puno kayo akala-akala
So, ganun, pag may nakita
Di ba?
na...
Tingnan mo, si Derek, ilang beses na siya sinasamantalahan.
So, ang ibig sabihin, kami pa ang may sala. Ganun ba yun? Dahil pinagbibintangan namin ang mga kalalakihan.
Porque once mo makita, pagbibintang ka na.
Okay.
Pag 5 beses mo nakita, pwede mo isipin may nangyayari.
Ganon. Ang tagal, 5 beses. Anyway, I think... Ano ba nangyayari?
Yan, no, si Ian madalas.
Si Ian!
Oo.
O si Ian, ano masasabi mo dun sa kanya ngayon? Dapat ba 5 beses bago mag-react ang mga kababaihan?
Mabait yan. Mabait yan.
Ay, ganun.
Inaanak ko sa kasal yan.
Talaga?
Oo.
So,
Okay, so,
sa lahat ng mga kakilala mo?
Saan pa tayo mapunta?
Oo,
Ibang mga
ito
lalaking
na
gumanon
lang. Ito na lang.
Maraming mga lalaking gumanon.
correct. Nung tinanong, ganyan na lang.